Look, today's video is going to be very interesting. We are going to solve a very big problem of your Excel and your life here, and Akal has solved it himself, but we will learn something more after that. First of all, I will take you to the screen of my computer and show you something. After that, we will learn how we did it. So here you can see a list in front of me. I have told you in many previous videos that I like watching Marvel movies. There might be many of you like this, but here we will relate it a little bit to a problem of our Akal. So here on this side, I have a list of all the Marvel movies till date and upcoming movies. There are checkboxes in front of it. There is a list of remain to watch in front of it. That is, the list of movies that I have seen will come here, and the list of movies that I have not seen will come here. And how will it come? I will just put a tick here, and what will happen as soon as I tick? This checkbox that is made here, from here, this movie will be crossed. It will be added to my watch list and will remain to watch. It will be removed from the list. I will show you one more time. Look here, you see Iron Man 2, a movie from 2010. And it is listed here because I haven't watched it yet and it is not in the watch list here. Now as soon as I tick here, see what will happen. This movie will move from here and come directly here. So how did we create all this? How can you create a to-do list or any such list that can be very useful for you and can make your work easier? This is what we will learn in this. So if you want to learn this incredible checkbox, then do watch this video completely. So let's start without any delay. So here I will take you to my sheet where I have typed a list of all my movies. Now I am going to tell you about this sheet from the beginning. Here we have written the names of all the movies. And here we have created another column for watch and not. After that, remain to watch means the movie which is left, as I told you earlier, and the second watch. So both these lists will come to us separately. That is a to-do list in which we keep ticking, so that on one side our tasks that we have completed will be there, and on the other side those tasks that we still have to complete will be there. And in our main list also, that tick mark will be put. So basically, to make a to-do list, to make a true and false list. To make many such things, we used to use the checkbox earlier, and we used to get that checkbox by going to the Developer tab. Secondly, we can also select it with the spacebar of the keyboard and tick it, see? I am pressing the spacebar of the keyboard and this tick is appearing, so you have understood this method. Apart from this, we can also select the color of the checkbox here. You can change it from here. Suppose we want to take red color here, then it will start appearing with red color. If we take green color from here, then it will start appearing with green color. So its formatting will get checked from here. Thirdly, for deleting it, you have to press delete button from simple keyboard, then the checkbox will get deleted, and if you want to apply it again, then it will get applied as well. Now the thing to understand here is that whatever formatting you apply inside the cell, the same formatting will be applied on the checkbox also. So like now, I've made the cell red in color from here, and from here, if I insert the checkbox again, then it will get checked from here. Now we can select it in two ways. Firstly, we will take the mouse cursor over it. Then see here a symbol like a hand will appear in place of the mouse cursor, and we can tick with the mouse also. And this effect of shrink throat has to be applied here. And as soon as we press OK from here, as soon as we tick, the red cross here will start appearing on the name of your movie or to-do list. So look, 3 things are happening here right now. As I keep ticking, the counting is coming here. Similarly, the list of movies that I want to watch is coming here. The work that I have left is that now we have to make one more list, which will come here. That list will come. The list which we have ticked here. Those lists should come here, so for that also we will use the filter formula. So we will put an equal sign here and type filter. After this we will select this whole R, put a comma. After this we are ticking, or we will select the checkbox which we have created. After that we will put an equal sign, and now we need the true value, because after ticking, only true value comes, right? We need true value and close the bracket and press enter. That's done. That's all we had to do. Now as we keep ticking here, those values will keep getting crossed here. Our remaining values will keep coming here, and the values which we have ticked will be visible to us here, no matter how much random we keep selecting here. Like you are seeing now, here I will tick an ant, and I will get that value here. That too from series. So in this video we learned how you can do this incredible. You can make your to-do list using the checkbox format and do a lot of work. If you liked this video even a little bit and found it useful, then definitely subscribe to the channel. You will keep getting such videos in the future as well. I will meet you in the next video.